Join me as I dive into the world of trading and challenge myself to figure out what you really need to get started today. Trading has become so much more accessible in today's digital world. With the internet at our fingertips, it's easier than ever to get started, and I'm excited to share with you what you truly need to begin your trading journey. Let's face it, many of us have thought about trading at some point, but certain misconceptions or fears have held us back from taking the leap. One of the biggest obstacles is the fear of loss. I think we've all thought to ourselves, I don't want to risk losing my hard-earned money. It's a completely normal fear, but one that can be overcome with the right mindset and education. Another challenge many beginners face is the feeling of being overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information out there. There are so many different trading strategies, platforms, and resources available that it can be difficult to know where to start. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose, and it's no wonder so many people give up before they even begin. Additionally, many people believe that they need to be financial experts or have a degree in economics to be successful traders. I'm here to tell you that's simply not true. You don't need to be a genius or have a background in finance to trade successfully. What you do need is a willingness to learn and adapt. And finally, I think many of us have the misconception that we need a lot of capital to start trading. While having more money to invest can certainly be beneficial, it's not the only factor in determining success. In fact, many successful traders started with very small amounts of capital. So, what do you really need to get started with trading? The first and most essential tool is a trading platform. This is the software that will allow you to buy and sell assets, and it's usually provided by your broker. You'll also need a stable internet connection, as most trading is done online these days. In addition to these basic tools, it's also important to have access to educational materials. This can include online courses, ebooks, or even YouTube tutorials. The key is to find resources that resonate with you and your learning style. Another crucial aspect of trading is having a solid understanding of how markets work. This can include things like technical analysis, risk management, and market trends. Don't worry if these terms are unfamiliar to you. You can learn them over time with practice and patience. Having a trading plan is crucial to your success as a trader. This is a roadmap that outlines your goals, risk tolerance, and the strategies you'll use to achieve your objectives. It's what will keep you focused and disciplined even when the markets get volatile. One of the most important things to keep in mind when it comes to trading is risk management. This is the process of identifying and mitigating potential losses, and it's essential to your long-term success. Without a solid risk management strategy, you're leaving yourself open to significant losses. I want to leave you with a key insight. Having a trading plan and risk management strategy can significantly affect your trading success. It's the difference between flying by the seat of your pants and having a clear direction. Don't underestimate the power of having a solid plan in place. So, what do you really need to get started with trading? It's not a college degree or $1 million. It's a trading platform, an internet connection, some educational materials, and a willingness to learn. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear about your trading experiences or questions in the comments below. If you're new to trading, what's holding you back from getting started? If you're an experienced trader, what advice would you give to beginners? And don't forget to tune in to my next video for deeper insights into trading strategies.